Hello everyone! Today we are comparing the Google Pixel 9 Pro, 8 Pro and Pixel 7 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Let's compare the display features. Google Pixel 9 Pro comes with 6.3 inches OLED display. Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 6.7 inches LTPO OLED display. And the Pixel 7 Pro comes with 6.7 inches LTPO AMOLED display. Next, compare the hardware features. All Pixel phones are powered by the Google Tensor chipset. Camera features. They offer 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. These devices include 5G connectivity to the speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.